Welcome to PMN Online. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to grant TradingView access. If you've ever wanted to share your TradingView chart layout but weren't sure how, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily share your charts with anyone you like. Let's dive into it. Getting started with sharing. First, ensure that your TradingView chart is open and ready to go. Once you've got the chart you want to share on your screen, look for a small down arrow icon. This icon is usually near the name of your chart layout, somewhere along the top toolbar. It might be a bit tricky to find if you're not familiar, but don't worry, it's there. Enabling sharing. Click on the down arrow icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Look for one labeled Sharing. Go ahead and toggle this sharing option on. This step is crucial because if you don't turn this on, your chart will stay private and others won't be able to see it. Copying the URL. Once sharing is enabled, your next step is to copy the URL of your chart. You'll find this URL at the top of your web browser in the address bar. Simply click to highlight the entire web address and then copy it. This URL will direct the person you send it to straight to your specific chart layout. Sharing the link. With the URL copied, you can now share it with whoever needs access. Paste it into an email, a messaging app, or any platform where you communicate with the person you're sharing it with. When they receive the link, they can click on it and instantly be taken to your TradingView chart layout. Not only can they view your chart, but they can also copy the full layout to save on their own TradingView account for future use. Final thoughts. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to grant access to your TradingView charts. This feature is incredibly handy for collaborating with others or getting feedback from fellow traders. Remember, sharing your charts can open up a wealth of insights and discussions, helping you become a better trader. Always double-check that the link you shared is correct and that sharing is toggled on for a smooth experience. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to grant TradingView access. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, PMN Online.